Okay, so when you log into Canvas, you'll see your dashboard. Here you can see I have several classes. You'll probably only have the proficiency testing class. So click on that and go into the class. Then go into quizzes. And then I have the demo quiz. That's what we're going to use. You could also use that to practice recording before you take the actual proficiency test. So I'm going to go into demo quiz. So these instructions will be a little bit more fleshed out, but basically it's to practice. So I'm going to resume the quiz. I was already in there, but I had a problem. Anyway, so here's the first question. This will be the same in your proficiency quiz. It's an essay question, although it's basically just to get the Panopto, the recorder, launched. Panopto will record your screen and your voice and your webcam so the teacher can evaluate your responses. So if you see here, it tells you to click on the button above in the editor. Need to change that. It's below in the editor. Download and install Panopto if you do not have it on your computer. Video instructions, that's what these are. So what I'm going to do in these instructions is install it, because you may not have, if you haven't been taking classes here, or haven't been taking classes using Panopto, you won't have it installed. So you can see we do have some tools here, and this one's sort of a green ring kind of thing. It's Panopto recording. So you want to click on that, and it'll take a moment because it's authenticating you. Okay, so here we are. Oh yeah, actually I need to change this. This should read the Dropbox for your class, but I haven't created that yet. So once I'll do that before I do the next recording. So we're going to click on record. Okay, so since I don't have Panopto installed, we're going to click here to download. It does give you the option of downloading what it thinks is the proper version. If that doesn't match what your computer is, you can click here for other download options. Download Panopto, and boom, there it is. Opening this file will depend on what browser you're using. We're using Chrome here. If you're using Firefox, you have to go up to the arrow up here to get the downloaded files, or Internet Explorer, I think it gives you a little warning down at the bottom. But at any rate, so you're going to want to figure out where the file is and then run it. And so you saw that WinZip window flash up there. And then now we have the user access control, so say yes. It'll come up. These should be able to just accept these. So C, program files, Panopto/recorders, storage location, C, Panopto recorder, and the web server. So that should just come up like that, and you shouldn't have to do anything. Then next, then install. There you go. So at this point, this comes up here. We actually don't really need to sign in here. You could sign in here using Canvas, and if you check Remember Me, then you can do offline recordings. So you just sign in with your CBC username and password, but you don't really need to do that because you're going to do it through the class. So, but you could if you wanted to. So just remember that when you get to this screen, it's a little confusing, and you have to click on Sign into Canvas with Canvas, not here, because it won't work if you do it here. So, but like I say, we're not going to do that because by being in Canvas, it'll log you on to Panopto. Okay, so we've done that. We've done the download, and I'm going to stop this recording, and then I'll repeat these steps to do an actual demo recording. Okay?